Our program is hands-on. Students come here as freshmen and they immediately get to work. They apply that learning and grow from it.
Primarily, I think the big selling point of our program is that we teach students about theater by having them do theater.
The skills that they learn here, they can take on technician jobs in all the fields, stagecraft as a carpenter or an electrician in lighting and sound, stage management, a lot of costume work, even event promotion and marketing of theater. We have a mentorship program where our alums working in the business mentor our students. We have a trip to Los Angeles that we have just started, working with the professionals that are working in television and film.
Mentorship and mentee programs that we have here that really allow students to pick the area that they're interested in going into, and us really rallying to find out who our alum are in those areas to help give them that extra boost up.
We are a theater company with learning artists and artists who have careers, the faculty, but working together to think about and to address what's the future of what we are doing and how can we ensure that this field that we all think is important can continue. And it's hands-on.
By working on productions here within the program, they get that hands-on feel. I think our program also allows for students to be fearless, to really have the confidence and make bold choices. And that kind of mindset, I think, really allows students to be successful.